Hello, in this video I'm gonna tell you if Redmi A3 Pro has an LED notification light. Redmi A3 Pro doesn't have an LED notification light on the front, but you can enable in settings to flash your flash at the back when a notification arrives. To do it, go to settings, then go to additional settings, accessibility, hearing, beam for notifications, and now enable camera flash. I'm gonna show you a preview of how it looks when a notification arrives. So when you get a notification, then it flashes the flash at the back like that. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.